Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving.
Hey guys! We are thrilled to announce the unforgettable open house event this Saturday. This is the month's open house. Make sure to come by. Happening at the thriving Rocky River Crossing community. The open house is at this very gorgeous home in 4720 the Arbors Drive, Harrisburg, North Carolina 28075. Mark your calendar this Saturday, July 1st from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. This event is one for the books, as you will get the chance of winning the incredible drawing and a full HGTV experience. That's right, by attending the open house, you will have the perfect opportunity to win a prize. But wait, there's more! We've prepared delicious treats and refreshing beverages to keep you energized throughout the event. Please bring any extra non-perishable items to help support families as the proceeds benefit the Second Harvest Food Bank of Metro Lina. Remember to take lots of pictures, share your thoughts on social media, and spread the word about this incredible event. Let's make this open house a celebration to remember. For questions, please call me at 704-777-1793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com.
Can't explain where I get it in the mirror, looking like a million, everything exquisite.